Happy April! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to tell you about this month's Teen Take and Make Kit that we have for 6th to 12th graders. And also don't miss our in-person teen programs this month. Those will be at Columbus Library second Thursday at 3:30 and Saluda Library second Thursday at 4. And we are going to make resin bookmarks this month, so that will be really fun. For our Take and Make, we are making lemon lip balm. So go ahead and pick up your free Take and Make kit from Columbus Library or Saluda Library during the month of April and follow along. We're going to make some lemon scented lip balm for you to enjoy or for you to give away. Let's get started. Okay, so there are 3 things in your Take and Make kit. You have a little container of beeswax. You have a little container of coconut oil. And this already has some essential oil in it. It is lemon essential oil. We are making lemon flavored lip balm. And then you have your lip balm container. And the things you'll need a mug that can go in the microwave, and a spoon, and a microwave. So the first step is to spoon or put your beeswax into the mug. And your coconut oil. And then we are going to mix it up well and microwave it for 30 seconds at a time until it becomes a liquid. And then we're going to pour it into our lip balm container and let it sit. So here's my coconut oil and beeswax. I'm going to mix that together. This might get a little messy. You're going to have to use your fingers probably to scrape it, and make sure you wash your spoon and mug really well afterwards. Probably right after you pour it out so it doesn't set and get hard. It'll be easier to wash. So after you mix that up, let's go microwave it 30 seconds at a time. So you probably noticed that the coconut oil melted real quickly, but the beeswax took its time. So after 3 rounds of 30 seconds in the microwave, which is 1.5 minutes, mine was all melted. So I'm going to carefully pour it into the container. You might want to put a paper towel or something down in case you get any spills. All right. Then you're going to leave it for a bit to let it harden. And then you'll have some lovely lip balm. It does smell quite like the coconut oil, but there is also that lemon scent from the lemon essential oil we used. And you can use this for yourself, or if you don't use lip balm, you can give it as a gift. Mother's Day is coming up, or one of your friends or other family members might like that as a gift. So enjoy, and hope you guys had fun making this lip balm for our April Take and Make Teen Craft.